Tell me where the freak's at.
I'm a good boy. So, hey guys, Big Ben Motor Vlogs here. How is everybody doing? I do a lot of these walks recently, don't I, where I'm like, don't look at the bike, have a look at everything else. Yes, but you know what time it is. Got my first service yesterday, and you know what I've been saying this whole time. What happens after my first service? Exhaust on. But look at that beast. This one is the Akrapovic 2in1 carbon. This is the racing system. Amazing look on it, I have to say. It just completes the bike. But this thing is a crazy little beast. And this is baffling, so I haven't really taken it out yet. But I know that's going to be mental in itself. Easily. Love the red and black look, obviously that's what I'm going with. The fitting wise, not too bad. Not too bad. I added all the correct tools. I did need a few more. A breaker bar, because one of the nuts under here is super difficult to get off if you just got a normal push down bar. If you looked at my Twitter, pretty much the way it was, it looks like I was on a photo shoot because I was leaning over the bike. I was on the bike with my leg up, all different things, all manner of things I was doing to try to get off, but obviously I did get it off in the end. A couple more annoying bits on it, but I got through it in the end. I was looking at the instructions at the same time as watching a YouTube video. I got there in the end. But this exhaust system is a lot harder to fit than the 125, I have to say. A lot harder to fit. Price wise, not too bad on them there. What are they? Just over 500. So that's not too bad. Just over 500 quid. And you're probably wondering why I went for this over the titanium. To be honest, the main reason was cost. And obviously, the looks were just after. So most importantly, obviously you want to hear the noise, don't you? Obviously you want to hear the noise. Now this noise is silly, not silly loud. It's a really nice noise. So what I'm going to do first, I'm just going to show you running noise to give you a walk around the bike, and then I'll do a proper little review, and then I'll do a proper little rev, alright? Let's go. So start up. So the running noise of it is really nice. It's got a nice little roll, a low rumble. It's got that low rumble, which is really nice. If you walk around. And then I give you the shotgun noise, which is just giving a bit of a throttle blip. That's the shotgun noise, so you can do that just to warn people about things. And the guy's looking around at me. So that's the shotgun noise. So that just sounds stunning, to be honest. And then I'll give it a bit of a rev for you. Woo! How does that sound, ladies and gentlemen? I'll get a little bit closer. Sounds absolutely stunning. So hope you guys like it. I want you to listen to this little turn off noise. It's like but yes, holy Christ. What a stunning noise this thing makes. What a stunning noise. But I'll put some clips together now of just generally on the road riding to show you what it's like with a couple of shotgun noises, as I do. And I hope you do like it, guys, because I love it. Absolutely love it. But general sort of like 3k revs, there's not really a massive difference. There's not really like a loud, obnoxious noise going on. It's just a nice little rumble in the background. Bit of a rumble in the jungle down below, you know? You know, it's not like an overpowering, screaming noise or anything like that. It's quite a refined rumble. It's really nice. Downshifts are nice. Downshifts are just sexy full. And you can give it a proper tug, and it gives that noise. It's really nice, very nice, very nice. Oh my Jesus Christ.